I can create captions for all my videos in exactly 4 clicks. But before you can do this, you need to set it up once manually and define your style. First, go to the text window and create a new caption track. Add an example caption, select it in your timeline and open the properties window. Define your style, and when you're done, click on the plus icon and choose Create Style. Leave Save to Project checked and press Apply. Now right click this style in your project window and choose Export Text Styles to save it to a custom destination. Next, go back to the text window and create captions. Select your style and adjust the settings to whatever you want. Click on the 3 dots and choose Export Current Settings as preset. Click on the 3 dots again and import this preset. Now you can create your captions and check if everything works well.
I think pressure like this, where you have a finite amount of time.
If everything looks good, open an empty Premiere project and import both your caption style and settings preset. Press save and close this project. Whenever you need to start a new project with these type of captions, duplicate this project file and rename it. When you have your audio, all you need to do is click on Create Captions, select your style, apply it, and the subtitles for all your projects will be done instantly.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching Mars' lower orbit.